Here's our SwingAway that we've had for about 4 years now. It's held up mostly good. We've replaced the ball kit a couple of times. We need to replace it again, as you can see. The ball has been totally unraveled there. Cords have also broken. We do keep ours outside all the time. We're in Southern California, a little bit inland, meaning we're a little more in the desert, not on the coast. But still, the weather does break it down. We don't get a lot of rain and things, but still being outside in the heat and some rain now and then, it does wear it down faster. So if you can keep yours indoors or bring it in during bad weather, that'll help it last longer. But we're gonna try to get this one back in shape. The main issue here, ball kit replacement is pretty easy, but main issue here is that this is broken away. So I called SwingAway service, and they're gonna send me some new parts, and let's see if we can get this thing back in good shape and get a few more years out of it. SwingAway customer service sent us this box. Let's see what's in it and see if we can fix our SwingAway. All right, we got a new ball and cords and a new pole. Let's see what we can do here. The original piece broke off here at the welding site, so we're gonna have to get this red piece off. The original design was this. The replacement part design is this, but everything else syncs up. Got a couple tool and a couple parts there. It looks like we're going to take this off with the Allen wrench provided. All right, we're putting our ball kit together now. The bungee that's coming up needs to go through the cord connector and then tie a knot. And then you have one of the longer bungees that came that connects to the cord connector here, tie a knot, and then the camera can follow the cord up here. You run that through the pulley at the end of the pole here, back through here. Just come on over. And the upper adjuster with the cord connector goes in there. And tie it up. The other bungee will connect to this cord connector. And goes down to the pole at the bottom. Through here, the new part of the frame. And goes to the cord connector here. These two cord connectors will be for the remaining two bungees coming out from the ball. All right, now it's time to put the two bungees through the D-rings that we put in before. Cable through the cord connector. This is the washer that was on there from before, we'll put back on. Now there's a lot of slack in this bungee, so I'm gonna take a lot of that slack out before I tie it. Washer's in place, slack is taken out. Now I'll go ahead and tie it. And same with the other cord connector. All right, so here's how you can adjust the SwingAway if your bottom pole there, I don't know if you can tell with the depth perception here, but that is off the ground. Okay, so the way you want to adjust for that is on this back pole with the adjuster right there. I'm gonna put my feet there. I'm gonna loosen this. And then we can adjust that pole. So I'll push it forward until it's on the ground over there. And tighten this back into place. And that's all there is to it. That's it.